Okay, as you can see, what happened here? I lost it. I'm gonna go back. Okay, I think we're still on. Anyway, I got 2 teeth tied up with 20-pound test string and yeah, 2 wrenches tied off. It's gonna hopefully pull them out really quick so that I don't feel the pain. And I drank some of DJ's vodka and 2. Oh my god, am I ready to do this? I don't know. I put a pillow over here just so that I could not make so much noise when these wrenches fall. These big heavy pipe wrenches. Big ones. Alright. On the count of 3. 1, 2. Oh god. Ah! I didn't do it. No, I didn't do it. Maybe I had one of the things broke. And I didn't pull the tooth out. Well, that wasn't working too good, now was it? Probably need 50-pound test line. It's this one here that broke, I think. Maybe, yeah, no? Yeah, this one, the little wrench, stayed on the line, but it didn't pull out the tooth. So we need a bigger wrench. And it's this one. It's still tied onto it. Alright, we need a bigger wrench. Oh, I better not. Let's see, pull the knot out. See, pull the knot out. So that didn't work too good. Don't try again.